welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Valorant. A critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated on your Windows PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Valorant, a critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated, then I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open the task manager. For that, you just need to click on the taskbar and click on task manager. Under the process tab, here you need to find the Valorant. Suppose if this is your Valorant, just right click on that and click on end task, and your Valorant game will be closed. After that, second method is you just need to open the file explorer, then go to the C drive, go to the program and files. In this you need to find Valorant. Under Valorant folder you will find one saved folder. You have to open that saved folder. Under the saved folder, whatever files you will find, you just need to select all that files, right click and delete it. After deleting that files, then close this window, click on start menu, then type here services. Click on the services. Here you need to find VGC. Just press V key and find VGC. Double click on that. You can say startup type. If it is selected as manual, then you have to select as automatic. Then click on start, then click on apply, then click OK. And close this window. That's it guys. After trying all these options, hope your issue will be resolved. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.